If you've been trying to achieve a bright and fair skin naturally, or you've been trying to achieve a glowing skin with just natural products, then you must consider this scrub a necessity. Turmeric is packed with so many skin benefits that will enhance the complexion and brightness of your skin. Although it is underrated by many because it's very easy to make and so affordable and readily available, many people don't tend to see its importance. Instead, they want to get those anesthetic scrubs that are expensive and they are bought from big shops, but this will do a whole lot of work. So here I added 2 tablespoons of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If brown sugar is unavailable, you can make use of white sugar. It's still very much fine. It's perfect for exfoliating and it goes together with turmeric for a fine exfoliating job. Alright, so we'll be using 2 tablespoons of honey, raw and natural honey. But here we'll add in 1 tablespoon first and then I'll check the consistency. Honey is very nice, as sometimes you can just rub honey on your face as a mask. It also helps if you're trying to get rid of acne and pimples naturally. Okay, so I'm mixing these ingredients together. And then I'll be going in with lemon extract. Remember that lemons play a very crucial role in skin brightening and skin fairness when you want to achieve this naturally. Although because of its citric acid composition, it can cause sunburn when exposed to the sun. Therefore, I advise that this scrub used in the night before bedtime. So here I added 1 tablespoon of lemon extract. When using this scrub, I would advise or recommend or suggest that you apply this scrub on a wet skin. Please do not always apply your scrub on a dry skin. Apply your scrub when you've wet your body and maybe want to take your shower, and then after scrubbing you can wash it off with soap and water before drying your skin. I'm bringing in the other tablespoon of the honey just so because I want my consistency to be a bit lighter than this. Please also note that exfoliating is not every day. Exfoliation just means removing the dead cells of your skin so that the products you're using for your skin can penetrate freely into the skin and work fine. So if you're removing the dead cell, at least you have to wait for another dead cell to come before you remove again. If you keep removing, you'll start removing your normal cells. So exfoliate like thrice a week, at least thrice a week. Don't exfoliate every day. It might cause redness of face. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you've given me my thumbs up and I hope you subscribe to this channel if you're new. Please also follow us on all our social media platforms and stay tuned for more exciting videos. I'll see you in my next video.